This is going to be a brief unboxing of this LiFePO4 battery charger that was sent over for me to showcase in this video. Let's get right into it. So this comes packaged in just a brown box, nothing special about the packaging itself. Inside, you're going to get a user manual. This here is an XT60 plug with an Anderson plug on the other side. You're going to get an Anderson plug with battery terminals on it. You're going to get an Anderson plug with alligator clips. This is your AC power plug here. And this here is the charger itself, wrapped in bubble wrap. And that's a brief look at the charger. It is a metal housing, feels fairly well built. So here you go, you got your charger, several ways of connecting, and a user manual. I hope this was helpful.